to Adidas. Now, that's also a fantastic journey we have been on with the customer Adidas. Since the turn of the century, we have been working together with 1,400 stores approximately, and 4,800 POSes. Think about that globally. And the next big milestone is the implementation of the SAP for HANA with Alice Central as a port of fronting the SAP backend. So, Nabila, how do you see the Adidas digital store solution look like when you have finished the new project you started at Adidas with Alice Central and SAP? And can you describe the scope of the project and how your collaboration with Alice Retail and our partner TSO, who's here in the auditorium today as well?
Sure. So our target is to utilize the Alice Central POS in our standardized global solution with the back-end capabilities being in S/4HANA. So the scope of the project is front end, we will have Alice Central, and then on the back end, we are working on consolidating all the back end capabilities, functionalities within S/4HANA.
Yeah.
And if it comes to the collaboration, I think we have seen a lot of great stuff that the team has been working on last year and what you're planning to do.
All right.
So obviously we're expecting a stable and state-of-the-art POS solution.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll be exploring and implementing new capabilities, and this is where we see a huge value in a collaborative partnership, aligning your roadmaps, understanding what is coming, what we want to do, what we want to deliver, and making sure that we align our priorities.
Okay, fantastic.
And going to TSO, of course,
Yeah.
they've been our partners in crime.
Yeah.
So they are long-term implementation partners, so they've been
Exactly.
giving us the expertise. They've been supporting in ramping up the team in all kinds of projects that we've had. So great collaboration there, and I think the collaboration is there to stay. Yeah.
Fantastic. But can you tell us a little bit more about the project that you're planning now and executing? What are the milestones that you have identified? For example, when you start the rollout, and how is the timeline looking?
Yeah. So we started the Agile transformation at Adidas, or at least in our department, 3 years ago. So the project is planned within an Agile mode. What it means that we have big milestones, and within these big milestones, we need to deliver stuff. So what we have done, we have sliced the implementation in smaller deliverables. What is good is that you already are adding incremental value, and already at the beginning, you give it to the markets to test, so you already have immediate feedback that you can incorporate in the whole development loop.
Yeah.
And when it comes to the timelines, we are targeting pilot an MVP for Q3.
Mm-hmm.
An MVP, obviously, these are the most wanted functionalities, so that the business can operate. Everything else, I don't know, I need a blue color, or I need, I don't know, something on the receipt that is not adding that much benefit or value at the moment. Those are customizations that will come later on.
Yeah.
And of course, the plan for the rollout is that we want to start in Q4 with 3 countries in APAC, and the goal is to finish by the end of Q1 the whole of APAC market migrated on the central.
So you really go with a minimum viable product and targeting 3 countries in APAC.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So how do you expect that your business will benefit from the project and the products that are being used here? Can you share a little bit the business goals that you would like to achieve, and how this project is going to hopefully elevate your competitiveness?
Sure. So I think for us the key element, at least in the upcoming years, is harmonization and standardization. I think we all know value if you have that. One of the immediate values is that development implementation is going to be faster. So that means with any changes that will come, that it be a pandemic or whatever else, you're always faster to adjust, faster to deliver. And also looking at all the great presentations we had yesterday, there's a lot of stuff coming. So obviously we want to unlock all of these new opportunities.
Awesome.
I think my highlight yesterday was LSP. There's a lot of things coming, and that is like massive, at least in the retail industry, because focus was more on e-com, and so we need to make sure that we have this omni-channel incorporating all that stuff also in retail, that you have a seamless consumer journey.
Yeah.
And so we're looking to the collaboration and
nice.
unlocking those opportunities.
Sounds very, very good. Good. We move on.